thunderstorm capable of producing. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montague County in north central Texas until 6:45 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles southwest of Stillburg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Makona around 6:10 p.m. St. Joe around 6:20 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Stay away from windows and doors, and avoid using corded telephones, unless it is an emergency. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Saturday evening for north central